Hi. Welcome back to this quality management course for airline engineering managers. We are completing our discussion on the maintenance program evaluation organization. This video class will discuss the topic of maintenance safety in an airline engineering department. Maintenance safety section is responsible for safety program, health matters and safety equipments. As requirements, the following are the various safety regulation to comply with. Industrial Safety, Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA). Safety Regulation, Chemical Hazards. Maintenance Safety System. General Responsibility for Safety. Smoking Regulation. Fire Prevention. Hangar Deluge System. Fall Prevention and Protection. Accident and Injury Reporting. The person in charge of this section is the safety manager. The responsibility of the safety manager are: safety coordinator is the manager or administrator of safety program, responsible for establishing the safety rules and procedures, auditing the M&E facilities, along with QA for adherence to safety policy, for developing improvements to safety program, and for maintaining records and filing claims relative to accidents and incidents involving M&E personnel and equipments. Each supervisor for work area is responsible for the safety of his facilities and personnel. This begin with clean, well-kept offices, shops, etc. The supervisor must enforce all safety rules and provide instructions and interpretation of rules, regulations, and methods of preventing incidents in his work area. Employee is responsible for compliance with all airline safety rules and practices and will report deficiencies when noted. They are also responsible for proper use of tools and equipment and proper operation of machinery. Reporting of safety matters. Reporting each incident involving airline personnel that results in damage to facilities, equipments, or equipments, or an injury to personnel must be reported to the safety manager, regardless whether the personnel, equipments or facilities is owned by the airline or others. Initial report to be made by phone, telex, fax, radio, etc. directly to the safety office or MCC. Completed accident report to be submitted within 24 hours. Safety office must develop form to be used for this reporting. Safety office will create a log of all accident and incident activities involving airline personnel. PP&C will issue a work order number for the tracking of each accident or incident through the process of investigation, repair, insurance claims, etc. The work order will also serve to collect time and cost data relative to the incident. Safety Management System (SMS). General requirements. INAMO shall define the organization safety policy. The safety policy shall be signed by the accountable manager of the organization. The safety policy shall be in accordance with ICAO and DCA requirements and reflect organizational commitments regarding safety. The safety policy shall be communicated with visible endorsement throughout the organization. The safety policy shall include a clear statement about the provision of the necessary human and financial resources for its implementation. Safety Management System (SMS) MDCA Airworthiness Notice 101. Safety is the state in which the risk of harm to persons or of property damage is reduced to and maintained at or below an acceptable level. through a continuing process of hazard identification and risk management. ASMS is a systematic, explicit and comprehensive process for managing risk. SMS provides for goal setting, planning, and measuring performance. SMS is woven into the fabric of an organization and becomes part of the culture, the way people do their jobs. Effective the 1st of January 2009, an AMO shall have in place ASMS that is acceptable to the DCA, that, as a minimum, identifies safety hazards, ensures that remedial action necessary to maintain an acceptable level of safety is implemented, provides for continuous monitoring and regular assessment of the safety level achieved, and aims to make continuous improvement to the overall level of safety. In order to be acceptable to DCA, an AMO SMS shall meet the requirements set forth in this notice. Definitions: hazard: a condition, object or activity with the potential of causing injuries to personnel, damage to equipment or structures, loss of material, or reduction of ability to perform a prescribed function. Mitigation measures: to eliminate the potential hazard or to reduce the risk, probability or severity. Probability: the likelihood that a situation of danger might occur. Risk: the chance of a loss or injury, measured in terms of severity and probability.